Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you new arrival Jaipur pure Pandani saree collection. So please watch the video till end. Friends, these kind of Jaipur pure Pandani sarees are so soft, lightweighted and more flexible to wear. These kind of Pandani sarees are comes with different range of colors, pattern and design. Friends, if you wear this kind of saree, you look so beautiful and attractive. Friends, this kind of Pandani saree collection perfect suitable for all kind of age group women. Friends, these kind of Pandani sarees are crafted with embroidery work, lace work, border work. Friends, this kind of Pandani saree collection perfect suitable for all kind of occasion. Friends, these kind of Pandani saree collection available in both online portal and your nearest market. Friends, I hope you guys love this video. Thank you friends and keep watching.